Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to organize an evaluation component in the LMS platform. Once the user logged in LMS as a teacher or someone with appropriate permissions, open a course from course overview in which user wants to organize an evaluation component. Once the appropriate course page launched completely, select the settings icon and choose turn editing on option. Basically, every course in the LMS organized as sections. On the computer screen, user can observe some sections under a course special project. Every section will have a name. In this case, first section is named as general. Second section is named as topic 1. Third section is named as topic 2. Subsequently, other sections are named. User need to observe that every section contains two drop down boxes called add a resource and add an activity. User need to go to a particular section in which the evaluation component need to be added in a particular course. Evaluation component comes under an activity in the LMS. So user need to go to the add an activity drop down box and select quiz component or quiz activity. Once adding a new quiz page loaded successfully, under the current course called special project, user can observe various options under the add a new quiz page. Move to the general option. Opposite to the name tab, user can specify a name of the activity called quiz. In this case, Compre is the quiz name. Then user can add description in the description sector. This is an optional thing. User may avoid this. In case user wants to display any description, check the button bottom to that description sector. Otherwise, don't check that button. Move to the timing option. Enable the open the quiz and select the open the quiz date which is greater than to the current time and select the particular hour in which exam need to be organized. In this case, 10 hours. 10 minutes is the time of the opening the quiz. Later, enable the closing of the quiz and select the appropriate date and month, year and hours, even minutes also. Here we are providing 15 minutes. So starting time is 10 hours 10 minutes plus 15 minutes means 10 hours 25 minutes. No need to disturb other options here. Move to the page towards the bottom. and select Save and Display button. Once the quiz activity entitled with Compre is launched successfully by the LMS, in the same page, on the top of the Edit Quiz button, user can observe a dialog box specifies that no questions have been added yet. Let us start adding questions by choosing Edit Quiz button in the same page. Once editing quiz of Compre quiz activity loaded successfully, move mouse cursor in the right hand side and select Add drop down option and select from question bank. Once the operation is completed successfully, LMS loads a dialog box. Then user can see a select a category drop down sector. In that, user can see the organization of the question bank. Here, users are advised to organize or manage questions in question bank as a Compre category. So Compre category is a parent category in the current course. Under that, user can organize difficult, easy, medium subcategories under a parent category called Compre. In this case, the activity name is Compre. So that's why parent category name is Compre, and in this activity, user can add some questions from the difficult category and some questions from easy category and some questions from medium category. Adjacent to the difficult subcategory, within the bracket, number 50 indicates number of questions within the subcategory. After selecting the difficult category, in the select a category, choose any 5 questions go to the bottom of the current page, select Add Selected Questions into the quiz button. So successfully 5 questions have been added from difficult subcategory under a parent category called Compre. Now repeat the same step for easy subcategory and medium subcategory. For that, go to the Add button after the 5th question of difficult category questions. Choose from the question bank. Here, select a category from difficult to easy. In the easy category, adjacent to the easy category, number 50 represents number of questions under that category. Again, select 5 questions from the easy category. After selecting the particular questions in the easy category, move the current page towards the bottom and select Add Selected Questions to the quiz. When we observe, the five more questions have been added into the quiz component. Now again repeat the same step for adding medium subcategory questions by choosing add option under 10th question. Choose from question bank. Once the dialog box appears on the computer screen, change the category from easy to medium. In the last two cases, 5 questions from difficult category has been added, 5 questions from easy category has been added. Now let us add 5 questions from medium category. Choose the 5 questions which user want to add into the component. Move the cursor towards the bottom of the current page and select add selected questions to the quiz. Once all the 15 questions are added into the component called Compre, then go to the maximum grade tab, make the maximum grade marks as 15, save it, and after that bottom of that maximum grade tab, user can observe total of marks colon as 15 marks. This 15 indicates the total weightage given on the questions which are added under that particular component. For instance, the maximum grade is changed from 15 to 30. But the total of marks is still 15 because when we go to a particular question 1, that question weightage is only 1 mark. When we want to change the weightage of that particular question, choose the pen icon in that marks tab. Then LMS allows you to edit the weightage of that particular question. Make the weightage as 2 instead of 1. Then immediately when you select the enter button on your keypad, automatically you can observe the change in the total of the marks from 15 to 16, and the maximum grade marks won't be changed. Repeat the same step for all the 15 questions so that each question carries 2 marks. 15 into 2 marks is equal to 30 marks need to be shown as a total of the marks, so that the maximum grade and the total of the marks will be same. Repeat the same step which we have followed for the question number 1. Make question number 2 marks from 1 to 2. Subsequently, for the third question also, change marks of the third question from 1 to 2. After editing the marks in the marks tab, directly press the enter button in your computer keyboard. Now repeat the step for question number 4. Sorry. So when go back to the total of marks, then the maximum grade marks and the total of marks are same. And after completing this process, choose or select shuffle checkmark button so that the sequence which you are able to see on the screen of the evaluation component will be shuffled when the exam is going to be organized. I hope you understood how to organize a evaluation component in the LMS. Thank you very much.